Welcome, my sunshines. My recipe today is yellow rice. It looks and it tastes so delicious with all these beautiful colors. Come on, let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients needed for this yellow rice recipe. We have 2 cups of washed jasmine rice, 2.5 cups of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. We have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a half of chopped onion, a half of a red pepper chopped, a half green pepper chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of butter. I added 1 tablespoon of oil to this pan, and I have it on a medium to low heat. I'm going to add the chopped onions, and the chopped red pepper, and the green onion. And the green pepper. And we're going to saute this. I'm going to saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes on a low to medium heat. This onion and pepper mixture is now sauteed, and I'm going to take this out. Take all of this mixture out of the pan. Now we have a low to medium heat, and we're going to add our butter to this. Add our washed rice, 2 cups. And what we're going to do on here is we're going to saute this and brown the rice, lightly brown the rice, since we don't want to burn this. So you have it down on a low to medium heat. And this will probably take maybe about 2 to 3 minutes to just lightly brown the rice. Give it enough time for the butter to melt in. I sauteed this now for about 3 minutes, and now we're going to add our minced garlic to this. And we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of turmeric and onion powder. And just mix real well. It smells so good, and I'll tell you, I promise you, your family will love this. It's so flavorful. Okay, we mixed all of that up, and now we're going to slowly add in the chicken, 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Then we're going to add our onion and pepper mixture. And we put in some salt. And then we're going to put in that chicken better in bouillon, just a little bit. And it's like a half a teaspoon. This gives it extra flavor. Okay, so now we're just going to let this, put it on a low, medium heat. Let it come up to a boil. Okay, it's now come to a boil. We're gonna cover this, put it down low, and for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna set my Fitbit watch for 15 minutes and see you in a little bit. The 15 minutes are now up and the yellow rice is done. When you, when it's done, the best way is to take your fork and fluff it up. Yellow rice is now ready. Along with the yellow rice, I have a side of beans. This is for my honey. He loves beans with his rice. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press that subscribe and notification button, letting you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you for watching my video.